Hey everyone, let's take a look at what happened yesterday in the stock market and what's likely to happen on Monday. But first, please understand this is a prediction video. This is the stock market. I am wrong in my predictions almost every day. Okay. So this is not financial advice. I'm using candle structure and market structure and a variety of different indicators to anticipate what could happen on Monday. Please don't bet the farm on my advice. This is simply my analysis. Okay, so on Friday, we had a green day. The best predictor of a green day is a green day. So if you have a green day today, then it predicts that you're going to have a green day the following day. And also the price action on Monday does tend to follow the price action on Friday. So I am anticipating a green day on Monday, but we have a reasonably significant upper wick here. We obviously have a huge lower wick. But let's talk about this upper wick here. That implies that there is going to be some downside at a minimum to this body low. So the body low is a likely target. And then obviously, if we don't come down to the high of this candle, which is the day before, then we're going to have a fair value gap. Now, there's fair value gaps all the time. We can have a fair value gap. But there is a magnetic pull to come down to the high of this candle. So let's mark off some of these levels right off the bat. At a minimum, on Monday, the downside, I think, is going to go to the body low of Friday's candle, and it could go down as low as the high of the candle before that. Now, at one point on Friday, we were up above the close of this candle back here, but we closed below it. That's a tell. That's a sign of weakness. If the market was strong, it would have closed above the close of this candle. Okay. So that's also kind of reinforcing my prediction that we're going to see some downside. We're going to see some sort of a flush on Monday. Could have a gap down. You never know. And mainly because it's showing weakness there. Now, I am predicting a green candle, and I also think we're likely to go up to this body high here. These gray lines are the body high of the last 12 sessions. So that's the body high right there. And that's also a magnetic pull. So we're likely going to go at least here. We could go higher and break out. We don't know. We'll find out when we get there. But once we get there, there certainly will be some resistance. It'll probably pull back at some point here. Now, again, who knows? It could flush. I'm only predicting 1 day in advance. I'm not predicting a week or 2 weeks in advance. I'm only trying to predict what's going to happen on Monday. But I think this is a likely target. We're probably going to make our way up here. So, and it's a green candle, so I'm anticipating another green candle, which will breach Friday's high. Now, it's not just going to stop at Friday's high. It'll probably go up to this high right here and breach that and take that liquidity. So those are the ranges right there that I'm anticipating for Monday. Again, it could go higher, it could go lower, but I'm anticipating the bulk of the trading range to happen within this range on Monday. We'll see what happens. If you'd like to learn more about my approach to trading, then please visit my channel and you can watch the videos that have a yellow dot on the thumbnail. So if there's videos that I think have kind of good educational value, then I put a yellow dot on those videos so you can find them easily. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you again on Monday afternoon. Bye-bye.